This is a super embarrassing video to do, but you know, reality is reality. So as I've begun to hoard more plant stuff, it has begun to just overtake my craft section to the point that it's just chaos back here. And I need a place that's dedicated for my plant pots and foods and things and blah, blah, blah. But I'm running out of wall space and I'm running out of floor space because I just keep buying all this fun stuff. So I want to do something about it, which is what this video is going to be about today. I got this shelf cart from AliExpress from I think less than $5, maybe $5. So that's going to be, I think, phase one of just trying to organize my shit out a little bit better. And I thought, why not film it and show you all of my humiliating clutter? Truth be told, thanks to ADHD, I don't actually have a plan for what's going to go in the shelving unit, so we're just going to kind of freestyle it and see what happens. But I think it's going to be helpful, so let's give it a shot, see what happens. Okay, let me give you the grand tour so far. So, top shelf, things that I need easy access to. Tools, clippers, sprays, nitrogen peroxide, mister, watering can, soil mat, planting mat, whatever you want to call it. Oh, also plant Velcro. Next one, quick access to pots, rooting powder, not power, food, tools I kind of sort of need sometimes, but not often. Down here, pots, food, stakes, propagation, leftovers. Also, these are to hold plants up, but I love them. Aren't they cute? Oh, also mosquito or gnat traps and the stakes that I use. Next one, lesser used tools, mostly pots, water trays. Last one, rarely used, but used often enough that I don't need to put them in storage. Moss, cocoa husks, extra light, grow light, mosquito bits, shot glasses, hydroponic stuff, giant bags for humidity. So it fit almost everything. There is some overage. It's just pots that I can put over on the shelf, which now has way more room and will be way more accessible. There's also the watering globes that I never use anyways, so I'll just put them in my shed until I finally give up and get rid of them. One thing I don't have space for that I think I'm gonna need to configure somehow is paper towel. I'm of two minds of the subject. I can either remove one of these, install two dowel rods that are the right width, and create like a, actually probably going lengthwise. So removing these, creating some sort of like dowel rod U-shape look to hang a paper towel roll from, or getting some kind of hooks that jut out just a smidge, because like that won't work. You know, like hooks won't come out this far. So that's something I have to think about. Or maybe I could use hooks and like use string. I'm gonna have to finagle this a little bit. I will let you know either on community updates or some other way what I decide to do with that. So there it is. Totally worth it for the, what, like, let's say $5 I spent on the cart, and I don't know, the organizers are maybe 20 total, but I use them in more than just this. So I love it. I will leave a link in the description for the, not my whole collection, but for the caddy and the organizers if you want to get those. Totally worth it. I'll see you in the next video.